My team, along with E3 group at the Mellon College of Science, have developed CMU Array, a 3D printed, fully customizable, ultra-high density microelectrode array platform for recording of neural signals from throughout the volume of a brain. This brain-computer interface is world's first fully 3D printed neural probe. The research has significant implications in that we are now able to record neural signals from throughout the volume of the brain, which was not possible in the past. Understanding the firing patterns throughout the three-dimensional volume of the brain will allow us to better understand neurodegenerative diseases such as Parkinson's disease or Alzheimer's disease, and can potentially help us find better therapeutic techniques in the future.